Welcome back to another video. My name is Harry Ely. I'm a healthy weight coach for the NHS and I am here in hot, sunny, not Spain, Poland. Okay, so each week I want to give you guys advice, tips and help on weight loss and a healthy or healthier lifestyle. Now, today I want to talk about the most basic, the cheapest and the easiest way to lose weight and to stay in shape. And it's the most easiest thing you can think of, and that is walking. And you might be thinking, walking, well, do I not need to join the gym? Do I not need to get on the treadmill and run? Do I need to go to the gym and lift weights? That is good, that would help. But obviously for a lot of people, especially for people who live with health problems or live with obesity, these things can be challenging and can be difficult. So my advice would be simple things such as walking. We can all do it. We've done it from a very early age, and we're going to continue to do it all through life. Walking is a fantastic cardiovascular exercise. That means it's not just going to burn calories or work the muscles in your legs, it's also going to keep your vascular system healthy, your cardiovascular system, keep your heart, lungs, circulation, everything all ticking over and working nicely. As humans, we are designed to walk. Now, I do understand that for some people gaining a lot of extra weight, walking can be a challenge, but the way to look at it is, if you don't walk and you don't do anything about it, it's just going to get more difficult. Now, mum, if you're watching this, I'm using you as an example because my mum has gained a few pounds since the COVID lockdown, and she does find it slightly more challenging to walk now. And I keep saying, mum, but you can still walk. Okay, put one foot in front of the other, move, exercise. It's as simple as that. You don't need to go and join a fancy gym and spend fortunes each month, but walking is probably going to be the best form of exercise that anybody can do, free of charge and relatively easy. Look, I'm going to do it now. I am in Poland. I have just walked 1 hour and 20 minutes to the city centre here in Zielona Góra, and now I'm going to walk 1 hour and 20 minutes back home. I've did this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, so I'm burning lots of calories, lots of fat calories, and I'm enjoying the walk. Now, I understand if you live in England, it can be a bit cold, a bit miserable, and yeah, it's not always exciting to go for a walk, but going for a walk, it's about your health, okay? Obviously, like now, look around us, I'm in Poland, beautiful scenery, going for a walk is enjoyable, it's beautiful, it's fun, it's nice, and that's what makes it so much easier. Yes, if you live in a cold, miserable country like England, like I do, it's not always enjoyable, but at the same time, it's beneficial. And you got to think, do you look out the window and go, it's a bit cool, a bit drizzly, I don't want to exercise? No. If you're having health problems, or if you've gained weight, or if you're living with obesity and you need to do some form of exercise for a more healthy, productive and active lifestyle, then you'll do whatever it takes. So if you haven't got the effort or the energy or the money to go to the gym, go for a simple walk. Look, one foot in front of the other. It doesn't get any more easier than that. And you've heard the saying, take small steps, okay? I'm not asking you to do what I've done this morning and walk for over an hour and then walk for over an hour back, because that's quite a long distance. Take small steps. Look at me, I'm out of breath. That is one big hill. Take small steps, okay? You can't just go out there and run a marathon without practicing. You need to gradually build it up. Same with walking. If you've been struggling to walk, just begin by, even walking to the end of the street. Walk to the shops. Walk to the bus stop. Walk to work. Even cycle to work. It doesn't have to just be walking. I'm just using walking and as an example because it's a very cheap and efficient way to get in shape and stay healthy. And walking burns a lot of calories. Now, if I just check my watch, because I'm calculating my calories, switch on my nose, I've burned 480 calories in 1 hour. 1 hour and 11 minutes. Is that 1 hour and 11 minutes? Yeah, 1 hour and 11 minutes. So I'm guessing that by the time I get back home, I'm probably going to have burned near on 1,000 calories. 1,000 calories. You tell me how many times you got to the gym and burnt 1,000 calories. Probably not many. But point being is This video is to give you guys advice about staying fit, healthy and active by doing something so simple as walking. Put one foot in front of the other, go for a walk, burn calories, stay lean, keep your heart and lungs and vascular system ticking over nicely, and actually enjoy the weather. Summer is on the way, so if you do live in the UK where it's usually quite miserable and rainy, I'm sure during the summer it'll get a little bit nicer and a bit better, and you've got no excuses but to go for a walk. And look at this beautiful scenery surrounding us. Look at it. This is unreal. If you ever want to go on a holiday to Poland, I highly recommend it, because this country is absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, that is my short video for today, giving some advice on weight loss and staying fit and healthy. So stick your trainers on, go for a walk and enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful day. And from Poland, do widzenia. Papa.